and welcome back to our YouTube channel. I am Sandra from Makesales, and today I'll be taking you on a quick tutorial on how to create a coupon on the Makesales platform. Now, after you have logged into your account, on the left hand side of your screen using web, you navigate down to the coupon tab, and when you click on it and the page is displayed, if you have created a coupon before, automatically it shows here as displayed on your screen. But since for this tutorial I'll be creating a new coupon code, you click on the create coupon code at the upper right hand side of your screen. When you click on it, a mini tab is open where you can fill in your coupon name, the coupon code, a little bit of description about the coupon, the value type, maximum usage, start and end dates. So you click on the generate button to generate a coupon code for you. If you're not satisfied with this coupon code, you could click on the regenerate to regenerate another coupon code for you. After that is done, you move to your description, give a little bit of description for your coupon code. So after you're done filling out your description, you move to the value type. Now for value type, we have the options of either choosing a percentage or flat. Now you ensure that you have done your calculation. If you're using a percentage, you have to use numbers in terms of 1% or 2%. But for flat, you are putting in the exact figure you are taking out whenever a customer buys something for you. Let's say for this tutorial, we want to use percentage and we're putting our value for 2%. So for every item they buy, they get 2% off of the original price. Now you fill in how many times you would like the coupon code to be used, if it's 1 or 2 or 3. So for this tutorial, we're putting that we would like our customers to use this coupon code just 3 times. After that is done, you fill in the necessary information for the mini card value. How many items can they buy using this coupon code? That is what this part says. So let's say 2 items. Then now you fill in the start date when you want the coupon code to start, and also you click on an end date when you want the coupon code using the coupon code to end. After you're done doing that, you go through it and ensure that everything is correctly imputed. And once that is confirmed, you click on the create code. And you get a pop-up notification saying that a coupon was successfully created, and it shows here. Now, if you would like to disable any of your coupon code, all you need to do is to click on this disable action button. Once you click on it and you click on the proceed button, automatically you have that particular coupon disabled and your customers won't be able to use it. And if you would like to enable it back, all you need to do is click on the enable button. While at it, it also shows you the status of each coupon code, if it's active or inactive. Now, the one that we clicked to disable is showing inactive. If you would like to enable it back, all you need to do is to click on the enable button, click on the proceed button, and you have your coupon code active again. So that's how easy it is to create a coupon code on the Mixers platform. Now, until next time, see you in our next tutorial. Bye.